Power! 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 Wait for it. Straight line. Straight up. Stand up. Full power. Full power. Full power.
Yeah!
Good. Now breathe. Take a breath. Put your right hand up. Give me a little bit of pressure on the left brake. Stay on that throttle. Nice. Hold that heading right there. Straighten up. Stay on the throttle. Full throttle. Very nice, dude. That was everything I asked for. That was gorgeous. Are you having fun yet? Right. Keep breathing up there. That was really nicely done. Okay, turn left. Clear your turn to the left. Draw your left elbow into your rib the way we practice. Beautiful. Hold that heading right there. Take your feet at the top. You're doing very nice. You're getting just a spin to the right brake pressure. Hold that heading straight down the valley. Don't get any higher. Don't get any lower. That's really nice. You're flying beautiful. Hold that heading. Okay, now I want you to begin a descending left turn. Gently reduce throttle as you begin a left turn. Hold the heading crosswind. This is your base right here. Don't turn back toward me yet. Okay, now reduce throttle. Reduce throttle. Don't let it die, but I need you off the power. Okay, give me some left brake and head right back. Good. Really nice. Really nice. Okay, now I want you to reduce throttle all the way down to idle. All the way down. I need to evaluate your fly. Give me a little bit of right brake. Hold your heading straight down the field. Straight at me. I'm the blue dot with a hat. All the way off the power now. All the way off the power. Good. Now look at me. My hands are up. Can you see me? Kick your feet. Give me a little bit of this. Just a little bit. Hold your right hand down just a bit. There you go. Okay, now hands up. And give me a little bit of right. Kill the motor. Press and hold the kill switch. 1 foot forward, 1 foot back like you're running. Look at me. Look at me. Do not fix the oscillation. Just look at me. Get ready to flare. Get your chest above your hips. Ready? Pull, push. All the way down. All the way down. Yeah!
Yeah!